So hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well and I'm as always amazing. So welcome back to another Design Unfold episode. So today I'm going to unfold my Kung Fu Panda poster design, Kung Fu Panda movie poster design, and you will learn a lot in this video. So make sure to watch video till end. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure to hit a subscribe. And if you are new and if you like the video, please make sure to hit a like also. So yeah, let's learn something. So we are here at my screen and we are going to unfold this one. So let me just hide all the layers and then we'll go one by one. Okay. So first of all, I choose this image and just I give it a red color and I just simply use paint bucket and give a layer a red color and used color burn on this one, and it is giving a really amazing effect on this one. And then I just added an image and I just mask it in the way okay, I added it later. So first of all go let me go step by step. Then I added this Kung Fu Panda and I gave it little color balance and some levels and curve, and this one was now looking much better than the raw image. So I give color balance and this stuff. Then I added this fire and I use screen layer. I use screen blend mode because its background was black. So if you have any image which have a black background and you want to get the subject out of it, you can simply use screen blend mode. So I use screen blend mode and I just use little masking to adjust it, and just I change the size, and then I added this layer behind it and give it a opacity 50% opacity because it was having a different it was giving a different kind of effect. It was whole image, so I added a layer mask and it is looking good. Then I added a black to get more focus on my subject. I usually add black layer on my posters if they are of dark theme, so to get more eyeballs on the subject. So you can also use that stuff. And then just okay, this I did it on last. So I added some fire sparkles. I downloaded this png image from internet and I just used it. And if you want to change opacity you can, but it was looking good this way also. Then comes the main thing, and I grouped this one. I downloaded this image and used the screen. Okay, if I go to normal, okay, it is not looking that much good, but in screen it was looking good. And it it basically had a black background. So yeah, I used this thing and I adjusted 1 2 3 4 and 5 fireballs. I Okay, the plan was to adjust 7, but they were looking too messy. And then I added a hue and saturation layer to have amazing effect. You can check out the difference. It is going very much with the image, and the black I have already told. And then after that I just downloaded this font. I just simply searched Kung Fu Panda font and it was looking good. So I used this thing and just use brush tool and give it a black shape. Use this upon here so I can get more eyeballs on the subject because it was catching too much attention. So I just simply use the brush tool and decrease the opacity of black color to 14%. So yeah, here is your Kung Fu Panda poster ready. I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and if you like the video, please make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe also. So you can also follow me on different social media platforms down there. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep practicing designing. Bye guys.